friends, so we have set each and everything in this current drawing file, right? So now another medium level of drawing related to mechanical. So see here, this is a kind of drawing. So observe carefully where to start this type of drawing to complete in a minimum time by using less number of commands. So it is our main motto while creating any type of drawings. So I'm going to start from here, this point, and there is a diameter of 28 here. So firstly I'm taking a circle and I'm clicking here and I'm giving the diameter 28. So there is a diameter of here also, but it is in different line type, and the diameter is 48 has given. So again I am taking the circle and from the same center point I am giving the diameter as 48 and press enter, and now change this to the center line type. Now there is a diameter of 70. The outer circle diameter is 70 he has given. Again selecting the circle command. So from this center point I am giving the diameter as 70 and press enter. See, there are 3 circles here. So one is inside and the center line type circle, and there is third. So now I need to draw a reference line horizontally and vertically. So I am taking line and just dragging these lines. I am drawing horizontal and vertical reference lines. So I got an intersection point here. So in the intersection point, see, there is a diameter of 8 of 6 holes are there with diameter 8. So we need to view the diameter here. So the center point is here, and I need to view the diameter 6 and press enter. So such type of holes with 6 mm diameter with 8 mm diameter. Again selecting the circle and selecting this intersection point and clicking diameter, and there is 6 holes with 8 diameter. So I am giving the diameter 8 and press enter. So this 8 mm diameter holes are 6 in this diagram. So it is the indication. So for that I am selecting polar array and selecting this object and press enter, and now I am selecting the center point. So there are 6 items defaultly, and click close array so that we will get 6 items. So now what should we do? So see here, there is a line 72. There is a line at a distance of 72 here, and we need to make a line here to get this intersection point. So the distance from here to here is, so it is 41 because it is 82 totally. So it is 41, and we need to make offset of this horizontal line to 72 distance. So now I am giving the command O and press enter, giving the distance 72 and press enter, selecting this horizontal line and making offset to the bottom. And now in the similar way we need to make offset this vertical line also. So again command O and press enter, but giving the distance 41, half of the distance 82, and I am selecting this line and making offset so that I got an intersection point here. So at the intersection point there are 2 circles here. So one is the diameter 18 and the outer diameter, the radius is 18, and see, there are 2 circles we need to draw. So I am selecting this circle and I am clicking here and I am giving the radius value 18 and press enter, and now again I am selecting this circle and I am giving the diameter as 18 now. So 18 and press enter. So we have completed these two circles. The same two circles I need here also. You can make mirror of these two circles to the opposite side, or you can make copy of these items to the opposite side also. So I am selecting these two circles and I am giving the command CO. I am making copy and press enter, selecting this point as the base point, and I am clicking. See, I don't know the intersection point here, so for that I am making mirror these two objects about this vertical line and press enter, so that it is getting like this. And we need to draw a tangent lines. See, these are the tangent lines, these are the tangent lines here. This is a tangent line we need to draw here, and I am selecting this line command and hold shift and press right mouse button and select the option tangent, so the tangent will be activated. And in this circle also hold your control or shift and press right mouse button and select tangent, so that it will pick the tangent points on the circle in the similar way. So we need to select here also, and see, I am holding control and I am selecting tangent and click here, and again I am holding control and clicking right mouse button and selecting tangent points. So like that we have completed these two. And now there are two vertical lines here. See, there is a distance of 28 also he has given. Now if you make this vertical line offset to the left and right hand side, the distance 14, so we will get 18 distance. Now go to command line, give the command O and give the distance 14 and press enter, select this line and make offset to the right hand side and left hand side. And now, so there is an intersection point here, so we need to draw a line from here to here. We need to join these lines. So again I am selecting line and I am drawing a line to here and here at the same time. So we need to draw a line from here and here also. And now see, from here to here there is a fillet of radius 10 as given. So I am giving the command F and press enter, selecting radius option, giving the radius 10 and press enter, selecting this circle and this line, so it will be made fillet. And again F enter, selecting radius option, and again same 10 enter. So I am selecting this line and circle, and there is an option, there is a fillet for this line and this line also. The radius is 8 here, fillet radius, and F enter, selecting radius, giving the radius 8, enter, selecting multiple, and I am selecting this line and this line, so it is 8, and I am selecting this line. Again I am drawing line because it has trimmed off. So now go to command line, F and radius 8 and press enter, select this line and this line. So now it will be made fillet. Now we don't need these lines, right? So now check. So there is a line here, right? So from this point to here there is a line, so 30 is there. So now we need to draw a line. So I am drawing a line, I am selecting line command. Now if you make, so now what should we do? So I am deleting this line. So from this center point of this line I am going down. So now I am drawing a line from here, 30 distance at the rate 30 less than 270 and press enter. So again I am going to here and I am picking this point and I am drawing a line here. See, so like that I am getting, and there is a length of 84 and we need to draw to the right hand side 42 and to the left hand side also 42, then it will become 84. So now what should we do? taking this point as a center point, and I am drawing the rate 41 less than 42 less than 0 and press enter. Now there is another line, right? So now I am deleting these lines, so because it is my reference line. So now I am making mirror, so you can join these lines to the top. And now making mirror of these two lines, so giving the command mi and press enter. So I have made mirror, and now there is a fillet of radius 10 here also, and we need to make fillet. I am selecting fillet option, so selecting radius, and I am giving the radius as 10 and radius, and I am giving the radius as 10 and press enter, selecting multiple option, and I am making fillet to this circle and this line, again from this circle and this line, so there appears fillet. So now trim off the unwanted parts and giving the command trim and couple of times press enter, and now I am deleting these lines. See, I don't want these lines, so see, I am deleting. So once zoom and check whether any unwanted materials after trimming off will be remaining there or everything will be trimmed off. Once check and remove the unwanted lines from the drawing, and say this is our final drawing, and we need to put the center marks. For that, go to the annotate tab, click the center mark and select this circle, and select this circle, select this circle, so the center marks will be up. Extend those lines as you wish up to where you need, so you can extend those center mark lines. Now after completing drawing this profile, you need to give the dimensions here. So once check, go to home tab and give the linear dimension, and from this center point to this point there is a distance of 72, and again press enter, and there is a linear dimension from here to here, there is 30, again from here to here is 84, and from here to here there is a distance 82, and there is a distance from here to here 28. See, and now give the align dimension to represent this circle. So this is 70 in diameter. Now select this and select this move with leader line, and I am moving this, and make sure so it should be at the center. See. So, and after selecting, you need to select this and click on above dimension line. So it will be appearing like this, and you can also represent any diameter symbols also. You can represent here. So like that you can represent, and there is a diameter of 28 here, and again I am selecting this and I am giving the 28, and I am this move with leader, and make sure it should be meet the center point. So it should go with the center points, right? And click here and set to the move to the above line. So and give the dimensions to this circle also. Now, so we can give the values here, 6 holes, and 8 dia, and click on close text editor so that it will be represented like that. So without occupying more space, you can also make dimensions like this also by using leader line. Once go through the previous videos how these dimensions are using, and there is a diameter of 48 here. So we need to represent each and every dimension in the drawing. You can also add the symbols, diameter, click on close text editor. See. And now there is an option here, so you can also represent the radius, and see I am representing radius here. And now again I am representing this as radius, and you can also represent the circles with radius, or you can also represent those with diameters also, whatever, so as you wish. And now there is a radius of 8 here, and there is a radius of 10. See, like that you need to represent each and every dimension, and once check all the dimensions are either right or wrong. Once check, and you can go to the next step. So if you practice more and more drawings, so you will get an idea about how to use those commands in an efficient manner. So these are the medium level of drawings which are related to mechanical, and see here there are arrows flip flop, right? So for that reason, so we need to practice more and more drawings. See, like this. So we have completed our drawing.